Scene script. Have you ever dreamed of studying in the USA? The land of opportunities, a hub for innovation, and a melting pot of diverse cultures. Today, we're going to delve into the application process, breaking it down into easy, digestible steps. First off, the journey begins with research. It's crucial to identify which universities align with your academic goals and personal interests. Take time to explore different institutions, courses, and locations. Remember, the USA is vast and each state offers a unique experience. Next comes the all-important step of preparing for and taking the required standardized tests. For undergraduate programs, you might need to take the SAT or ACT. For graduate programs, the GRE or GMAT becomes necessary. Additionally, if English isn't your first language, you might also need to take an English proficiency test like the TOEFL or IELTS. Once you've got your scores, it's time to collect all the necessary documents. These typically include academic transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a statement of purpose or personal essay. This is your chance to shine, to show the admissions committee who you are beyond your grades. Now, with all the pieces in place, it's time to fill out the application forms. Most universities in the USA use an online application system. Make sure to fill out every section accurately and completely. Remember, your application serves as your first impression, so make it count. When you've submitted your application, the waiting game begins. It might take a few weeks or even months to hear back from the universities. In the meantime, it's wise to start preparing for potential visa interviews. Familiarize yourself with common questions and practice your responses. Finally, once you receive an acceptance letter, it's time to apply for a student visa. The process involves submitting your acceptance letter, along with proof of financial support and other required documents, to the U.S. Embassy or consulate in your country. To summarize, applying to study in the USA involves a series of steps: conducting thorough research, taking standardized tests, gathering necessary documents, filling out the application, awaiting the response, and finally, applying for a student visa. It might seem daunting, but taking it step by step makes the journey manageable. Remember, the key to a successful application lies in due diligence, preparation, and patience. With hard work and determination, the dream of studying in the USA can become a reality. So start your research, prepare for your tests, and get ready to embark on an exciting